What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, gagawa ulit tayo ng PC. And ang PC to ay nagngangalang Lumot number 2. Kasi may ginawa na tayong Lumot PC build nung una. So, eto siya. And panoorin nyo lang yan. Yan yung una nating build gamit ang Lumot branding. Ngayon, nagkakaroon ulit tayo ng Lumot build. And ang gagamitin naman nating case ngayon is the Gigaware Ice 5 na binuksan natin sa Tech Hall kahapon. And yung ating gagamitin na power supply is the Power Rex 3. So you would know this is old system na, pero it would still compete with the Office Works today and yung ating esports kung maglalaro kayo nun. Before we start with the video, I just would like to thank everyone who subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel so you can click that subscribe button down below. And if you are looking for quality printed materials, you can check Print Sparko here, and I'll put their link down below. Alright, para simulan ang ating PC build, punta muna tayo sa ating components. Para sa ating components, we have the i5 6500. Past generations na siya ng Intel, but it would still compete for today's task. Pwede rin natin yung gamitin for mild gaming, mild editing. Yan, pwede natin gamitin yan. Pero kung office work, talagang so good pa din itong processor na to. And for our SSD, ang gagamitin natin ang Golden Fear SSD 120GB. Sa mga nagtatanong, hindi po nila ako sponsor. Lagi po talaga lang ang bumibili from them kasi price to performance, talaga mura kasi ng mga SSD nila. And of course quality, since I think na-mention ko na before na same manufacturer lang sila nang gumagawa sa Crucial brand. So no doubts about the performance. For our memory, ang gagamitin natin ang Vaseki 2400 MHz na DDR4 8GB. So very suspicious pa din ako dito kasi nakuha lang natin siya from China, pinadeliver natin through Lazada, and tignan natin kung gumagana siya. So check natin now. Pag hindi natapos tong build na to, ibig sabihin hindi gumagana yon, or one of the components here. And for our motherboard, ang gagamitin natin ng Asus B150M. Of course, it has red accent. Looks nice. Yan, may 2 slots din siya for DDR4 memory. And yung ating case kanina, sinabi ko na, yan, yung ating Ice, Gigaware Ice. So, simulan na natin yung build. Okay guys, so tapos na yung ating Lumot number 2 build. So, ito yung kinalabasan niya. So, yung mga cables dun sa baba na for PCIe para sa ating video card, di ko muna kinable manage sa likod, since kung yung bibili nito is maglalagay ng video card, so nakahanda lang yun dyan para hindi na rin siya magkalikot dun sa likod. And yan, ito na yung kinalabasan ng ating unit. So you can see, dito yung mga fans natin, yung mga green fans natin. Hindi ko na masyadong tatanggalin yung mga plastic niya. Natanggalin lang natin yung sa harap para makita natin mamaya yung kulay niya pag binuksan natin. So, ito na yung ating PC build. So guys, if you are interested in buying this build, you can hit me up on my page. So you can check the page here, and I'll put the link down below. So if you are interested in this unit, you can just message me there. And of course, yung pagbebenta natin is just cost price. Wala akong idadagdag dito na markup. Of course, ang idadagdag ko lang yung nagastos ko sa shipping. Pero hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, just like this video, comment down below for your thoughts if gusto mo itong bilhin, or if you are asking or may gusto kang ipa-build, so just let me know. And of course, I'll see you on the next one.